Do you know the benefits of keeping money pothos plant? Money pothos plant, if you keep in an aquarium, it cleans the water. And not only that, if you keep it as a home decor, it purifies the air and also reduces anxiety and stress. So there are many benefits of having this beautiful pothos plant in your home or else in your garden. Not only that, green leaves gives us pleasure and also enhance the beauty of the garden, but also it helps reduce stress and also this purifies the air. So today I thought of sharing with you some of the pothos plant growing tips and tricks which you can apply in your home garden. You can bring this plant from a nursery or else a stem from a friend of yours and apply these tips and tricks to keep it healthy and fast growing. So let's jump into the video to know more about pothos plants. Now see, there are many varieties here in the same pot. Now neon pothos is this one. Here I have the enjoy pothos, and also in the same planter I have the marble queen pothos. So these are some of the varieties of the pothos plant. This lengthy marble queen pothos plant is in well draining soil. It's a golden pothos, and this is the planter. So the first tip of growing this beautiful pothos plant, this is a shade loving plant. Do not put it in the bright direct sunlight area. Keep it in a shady corner in your garden. I suggest you keep it indoors as a house plant because this loves the shade. So these beautiful pothos plants grow well in the shade, friends. Once you bring it from a nursery, see that you keep in a location where they get the partial to medium indirect sunlight. That is the first and the most important thing to understand about the pothos plant. Thing is propagation. Now you can see my plants are in water. They are very healthy looking and growing so well. So you can propagate them easily in water. Only thing you can see now, this is the node areas of the plant. From there you can cut and simply add them in water and keep it silently in a corner in your home as a decor plant. This is another pothos variety, neon pothos, and it's also in water. This is an old bottle which I have converted into a planter, not actually. So this one I have kept in many days now in my home as a decor plant. So these plants love being in water. Make sure you change the water once in a while. Like in 1 week's time, change the water and give fresh water to the plant and give it a thorough wash. So now I'm going to give it a thorough wash. Hold the plant leaves to the wash and let it be clean from head to toe. So the plant is getting watered once in a while. Pothos plants are the best home decor plants. They fit into any planter. Now look at this DIY planter. It's in a ceramic jar and I have kept it indoors as an indoor plant. Once in a while give it a thorough wash like I have showed you in the video, and also friends, you can keep it in the semi-shade near a windowsill or inside your home for better growth. So when talking about the soil mixture, add garden soil, sand and little bit of cocoa peat because they loves the moisture balance in the soil. So once you add some cocoa peat, it balances the moisture in the soil, well balanced. So your plant will grow very healthily and happily. Do not overwater this beautiful house plant, pothos plant, because you will have to check the top layer of the soil and water. Do not add water unless necessarily check the soil and water these plants. And once you keep them indoors, there's no need to regular water unless you spray some mist in the morning. You do not need a lot of knowledge to grow this plant. As a beginner, you can simply grow money pothos plants because they are very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. Even without fertilizer, you can grow them if you provide the right soil and also watering at the right time. If you can provide them nitrogen high fertilizer for the money pothos plant, because this is a beautiful greenhouse plant, you can add any fertilizer of your choice. Make sure you add some organic fertilizer like tea or coffee. Add them in powder form or in liquid form. Especially during the hot summers, you can add powder form, or else you can add little bit of water in it and make a liquid form of the tea or coffee fertilizer. So those are the fertilizers that I suggest. So this one plant, beautiful pothos plant, money plant, one of the vast plant as well. In Feng Shui also they talk a lot about the money plant. So there are many areas where you can keep this beautiful plant for home decor, and also one of their purification plants. If you enjoyed watching about the money pothos plant, and if there are any questions, you can comment below and I will see that I answer them as soon as I can. And also, if you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel Tamara's Garden. Thanks for watching.